Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to tighten a loose ceiling fan. For this job, you'll need a certain tool. And that tool is a battery powered drill. I love using this because they're lightweight, they're easy to maneuver, you don't have a cord to worry about, and you're not sitting there trying to crank it with just a regular screwdriver. And we're going to be using a Phillips tip bit. Now, sometimes this project is very simple as just tightening these screws up around the top of your fan. Those up with your drill. Other times you have to drop the entire ceiling fan and there's a mounting bracket in there. Sometimes that works its way loose. What you'll do is go ahead and tighten those screws up, and if you have to, go ahead and throw a new screw into a stud or anything that you can hit. Sometimes it's not actually your entire fan motor or the mounting bracket that gets loose. It's these fan blades right here. The way you do that is there's screws located under here which holds the bracket in place. You just go through and snug them up a little bit. Make sure you don't over tighten them because they might strip out. And remember, whenever working with electrical, shut it off at the source, which is at the breaker box. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.